Have you ever found yourself in a hornet's nest? No, I don't mean literally surrounded by angry hornets. This common English idiom can be confusing for many English learners. But understanding it can really improve your communication skills. Let me tell you a funny story about a time when someone misunderstood the meaning of a hornet's nest. My friend Sarah was helping her neighbor clean out their attic. And she came across an old box labeled Hornet's Nest. Sarah thought, "Oh no, I better be careful. There must be a real hornet's nest up here." So, she quickly closed the box and ran downstairs, completely flustered. But of course, the hornet's nest in this case didn't refer to an actual nest of hornets. It's an idiom that means a situation that is chaotic, difficult, or full of problems and controversy. Let me show you how to use a hornet's nest correctly. Imagine your boss asks you to make some changes to a project that's already underway. If you go ahead and make those changes without consulting the rest of the team, you might just stir up a hornet's nest. Suddenly, everyone is angry and frustrated, and you've got a real mess on your hands. Here are some examples of how you can use a hornet's nest in different contexts. In a casual conversation, I heard the town council meeting turned into a real hornet's nest last night. In a formal setting, changing the company's policy on overtime pay is sure to stir up a hornet's nest among the employees. In a negative context, the scandal has created a hornet's nest of controversy that the government is struggling to contain. In a humorous context, when I accidentally brought my boss's secret diary to the office party, I really stirred up a hornet's nest. To help you remember the meaning of a hornet's nest, think of an actual nest of angry hornets. Just like a real hornet's nest, the idiom refers to a situation that is chaotic, difficult, and full of problems that are hard to control or resolve. The idiom "a hornet's nest" has an interesting history. While its precise origin is uncertain, it's believed to predate the 19th century. The imagery likely stems from the perceived aggressiveness of hornets and the intricate structure of their nests, making it a fitting metaphor for a situation fraught with potential conflict. Some similar idioms to a hornet's nest include a can of worms and a powder keg. These all refer to a situation that is complex, volatile, or potentially explosive. On the other hand, idioms like smooth sailing, a walk in the park, and a piece of cake are the opposite of a hornet's nest, describing a situation that is easy, straightforward, or problem-free. Let's try using a hornet's nest in a sentence. The new company policy on remote work has really stirred up a hornet's nest among the employees. Now, let's rephrase that without using the idiom. The new company policy on remote work has caused a lot of controversy and disagreement among the employees. I remember a time when my friend Sarah was trying to organize a surprise party for her boyfriend. She didn't realize that her boyfriend had already found out about the party. And when she tried to keep it a secret, it really stirred up a hornet's nest. Her boyfriend was upset, their friends were confused, and the whole situation became a mess. But once Sarah acknowledged the truth and apologized, everything calmed down, and the party ended up being a success. One common mistake people make when using a hornet's nest is to say a hornet's nest instead. This is incorrect, as the idiom refers to a single nest of hornets, not multiple nests. Another mistake is to use a hornet's nest to describe a situation that is simply busy or hectic, rather than one that is chaotic, difficult, or full of problems. The idiom is best used to describe the latter type of situation. To avoid these mistakes, remember that a hornet's nest is a singular noun, and it should be used to describe a problematic or contentious situation, not just a busy one. Quiz time. 1. What does the idiom "a hornet's nest" mean? A. A situation that is chaotic and full of problems. B. A situation that is busy and hectic. C. A situation that is calm and peaceful. Correct answer, A. 2. Which of these expressions is synonymous with a hornet's nest? A. A walk in the park. B. A can of worms. C. A piece of cake. Correct answer, B. In summary, a hornet's nest is a common English idiom that refers to a situation that is chaotic, difficult, and full of problems and controversy. Understanding this idiom can help you communicate more effectively in a variety of contexts, from casual conversations to formal settings. Now it's your turn. Try using a hornet's nest in a sentence of your own. How have you encountered this idiom in your life? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful English idiom lessons.